I'm Sophie Lies. I play Liesel in The Book Thief. This is my 1939 look. This is the 39th day, and I'm going to set.
I was a bit scared at the beginning, but like everyone was so nice.
So this is Natasha. She does my clothing. She always keeps that I'm warm. She does a great job. And this is Rachel, always doing my hair, always laughing, doing crazy stuff all the time.
I've never come across a child with that much talent, just raw talent, instinct, and being so aware of everyone's emotions around her. I find it amazing now, at 13 years old, you could actually know that much.
She's a great clown, and I love that.
I'm bored. Chasing bored.
In between takes of very dramatic scenes, she will goof off, and then when it comes to playing the scenes, you get flabbergasted by how focused and how emotionally true she is.
The only thing that I didn't like is the kiss, but that is like, I mean, you can't do anything about it.
Hiker, look at me and laugh. And laugh. You're like a tiger.